This is Biotronix wrist CPM device. This is Biotronix wrist CPM device. You can say this is wrist joint trainer, wrist rehabilitation exerciser. So today I will give you the demo of the same. You can see this is the host unit, and this is the CPM device. This is the wrist CPM. The wrist has to be inserted like this, and this is the electrical motorized controller device. You can see this is the digital indication, this is the battery indication, and this is the timer indication, and these are the controllers. And this is the product by Biotronix Solution Forever imported device, and the same can be used by electrical or motorized way. Also you can use the same by manual way using this. So for using the same in the manual way, you have to insert the same in the same, and then you can use the same manually. You can see the same manually. You have to release it. So this is the way of using the same manually. Now I am removing the same, putting the same in the electronic device. Now I will show you a demo of the same. This is the box of the same. This is the how box looks like, and the device is there in the same. And now I will show you the demo of the same. I have to press the start key, on off key. I just press the same. The machine has got switched on, the display has got switched on. This is the speed control, this is the force control. This is the indication of the speed, this is the indication of the force. So you can adjust the speed from 1 to 9 by selecting this button, and you can adjust the force from 1 to 9 by selecting this button. And the speed 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Force 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I am starting the same and showing you the demo of the same. You can see this is functioning now. The device is used for the passive motion of wrist joint, and for the wrist rehabilitation and physiotherapy. This is the motorized as well as the manual device. You have to put your hand over here like this or like this, so it will give you the flexion or extension of your wrist joint, and this is how the device looks like. I'm just stopping the same, putting my hand in the same. These are the various straps.